dive into the electrifying saga of Lukas Kamay, the mastermind behind Australia's most audacious insider trading scam. From the bustling streets of Melbourne, Kamay, a seemingly ordinary Australian Bureau of Statistics employee, harnessed privileged information to stage a trading heist, pocketing a staggering $2.54 million in a mere 25 minutes. This gripping tale unfolds as Kamay's ingenious yet illicit strategy comes to light, leading to an inevitable downfall that rocked the financial world to its core. Discover how his pursuit of wealth turned into a cautionary tale of ambition, deception, and the unraveling of Australia's biggest trading scam. To recognize the effect of the aftermath, we delve into the existence of Lukas Kamay. Before the scandal, he changed into an unassuming determined, a former Australian Bureau of Statistics worker with get-right of entry to sensitive economic statistics. However, under this veneer of normalcy lay a person tempted to use privilege and the charm of illicit profits. Kamay's non-public life, often hidden from the general public eye, played a function in his descent into the arena of insider trading. Let's begin our story with a stunning predominant man, Lukas Kamay. He used to paint at the Australian Bureau of Statistics, managing crucial monetary data. It turned into a task that put him in a unique role, however also tempted him to do something he should not. Now, how did an everyday man grow to be the brains in the back of Australia's biggest insider trading scam? That's the question we're approximately to resolve in this story of twists and turns, wherein an ordinary job becomes a plot nobody noticed coming. Enter Christopher Hill, a pal who would emerge as Kamay's associate in crime. Together, they waltzed through the complicated dance of deception. Kamay, armed with personal financial statistics, would discreetly bypass it onto Hill, who in turn carried out calculated trades. It became a symphony of secrecy, a plot unfolding behind the scenes whilst the market danced to an unsuspecting track. As their plan endured, heaps of money flowed into Lukas Kamay and Christopher Hill's wallets. They loved the earnings they were not alleged to have, like a twist on the Robin Hood story in which matters go the alternative way around. However, with every mystery victory, the risk of getting caught grew. The Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, started placing the pieces together like detectives figuring out a puzzle. This set the level for a huge face-off that could decide what took place to the men in the back of the scheme. The more they reveled in their sneaky achievement, the nearer they got to a day of outcomes they by no means saw coming. Things get more intense as ASIC, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, gets closer to catching Lukas Kamay and Christopher Hill. The complicated plan they had for insider trading started falling apart, showing everyone how much they were really up to. As the attention on them gets stronger, the two who were feeling pretty sure of themselves before start facing the tough truth, justice is catching up. The stock market, which used to be their kind of playground, turns into a battleground where the real story of what they did clashes with the consequences they're about to face. It's a turning point where the once confident duo begins to realize that their actions have serious outcomes. Now imagine the court docket because the spotlight shifts to the final chapter. Kamay and Hill, who have been pulling the strings from behind the curtain, are the front and center, coping with what they have performed. The judge decides their fate, and the entire monetary international watches as justice takes its course. Australia's largest insider buying and selling ripoff leaves a mark on how things are completed, making each person rethink the rules. The aftermath is not pretty much what happened. It's about changing how matters paintings to stop it from taking place once more. The sentences passed down turn out to be a lesson, and the Economic International takes a step lower back to figure out a way to make sure this kind of hassle would not sneak in again. It's a moment that makes all of us pause and consider the way to make things extra steady for the future. As we witness the final moments of Lukas Kamay and Christopher Hill's saga, a lingering lesson emerges, echoing via the sizable corridors of financial history. Their story serves as a stark reminder that even inside the high-stakes international of finance, where numbers and profits regularly take center level, the real currency that sustains the market is trust and integrity. Australia's largest insider buying and selling scandal unfolds as a testimony to the long-lasting pursuit of justice and fact inside the difficult dance of finance. In this cautionary tale, we see how the appeal of short gains and the shadows of deception can solidify a protracted lasting effect on the economic panorama. The fallout prompts us to reflect on the sensitive stability among ambition and ethics, shedding light on the significance of preserving the integrity of the marketplace. As the curtain falls, the story of Kamay and Hill will become more than only a scandal. It turns into a beacon guiding us toward a financial destiny wherein transparency and honesty prevail. The resilience of justice, as exemplified within the aftermath of this scandal, demonstrates that the pursuit of truth can withstand even the maximum complex webs of deceit. It is a rallying name for vigilance and a renewed dedication to upholding the principles that underpin the monetary gadget. The story of Australia's biggest insider buying and selling ripoff, with its twists and turns, serves as both a caution and an opportunity for increase, an opportunity to enhance the foundations of trust upon which the economic world stands. In the give-up, the legacy of Kamay and Hill is not just one of infamy, but additionally a catalyst for fantastic change. Their movements can also have momentarily disrupted the harmony of the economic markets, but the enduring standards of justice and truth be triumphant, paving the manner for a future where the lessons learned from this cautionary tale manual us toward a greater resilient and honest economic realm.